the name's Neon, and we're gonna play a game that's called Airplane Floor. But before we do this, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. So without further ado, let's get to this thing already. Alright, how do we do this? Let me remind you, we're flying to the Rollhammers. Get down here. Okay, jeez. Oh my, none of you have done your baggage. I can't believe you forgot. We don't even have time. That's it. Whoever doesn't have the baggage ready before breakfast is not going to the trip. Hey, stop being so rude. I'll start making the burgers in the backyard. Hurry up. Okay. You don't have to be so rude. Anyways, where is our clothes? Alright. I really want to go to the trip. What are we gonna do? I don't even remember where my clothes are. Okay, here's what we're going to do. We have 45 seconds to explore the house and see where everything is. Then we start packing. Hey, good idea, me. 41. I hope I don't get anything from the girls. Yeah. I hope I don't get anything from the girls' bedroom. Ooh, there's a what's it called? A lock. But I already have one on. As you can see, I changed my avatar. Doesn't it look cool? It's so cool they got a bug there. Even when I already have one on my head right now. Alright, time to start packing. Let's go. Pretty sure it's in here. Yep. Take it to your baggage. Baggage item. Ah, man, I wanted to jump down the stairs. Bop. Hurry up. Let's see. Let's check out the girls' Let's check out the girls' bedroom. I was about to say bathroom. Find this item. Okay. Let me guess. It's in the girls' bathroom. Yeah. Take it to your baggage. Alright, right. Hurry up, me. I don't wanna get the oh. Why do I keep messing up? Come on, me. I wanna get the burgers. Find this item. Pretty sure it's in the girls. I played this game a million times before. So I want to share this gameplay with you guys. Just wanted to share this gameplay with you guys because I wanted to record another video of me playing a Roblox game. My VR video, I'm sorry to tell you that wasn't a real VR headset. So yeah. You might have found it obvious. I was actually faking. I don't have a VR headset. At all. Workers are almost ready. Let's go to the backyard. Okay. Do we just transition here? Just wanted you to know, for those who don't know, there's a secret. Easy secret. Just go down the drain, and then you'll see a bunch of fish. Ew, what is that? What is that burger? What is that green burger? Ah, imagine eating that. Imagine. Who wants a burger? I do. I'm so hungry. Alright. Whoever wants one, take a seat on the picnic table. I'm already on the picnic table, so... One for City Pro 64. One for Ace of Grace. One for Bad and School Blah. One for Ocean Flash 3. Yay! I got a burger and I didn't get the moldy one. Yay! No, as a matter of fact, nobody got the moldy one. That was close. I almost always get the moldy one. Oh, it's the radio. Earlier this month, the president congratulated the brave heroes that saved his life aboard the presidential plane. Whoa! Can you imagine? Saving a plane? That was us. However, the president said in conference as we landed, the suspect somehow disappeared. The police warns everyone in Robloxia to be careful and report anything that could be useful for the case. How could someone possibly escape from something like that? I don't know. Maybe skills? Oh my! Look at the time! We're running late for our flight! There's no way we'll make it in time. Unless... Oh no. Follow me. I have a bad feeling about this. Same. Oh my god, bro. Typo. Really? What? also a lot more fun than walking. I guess. Now we can't lose more time. Find your plate and grab a seat. Wait, that sounds like a song. Find your plate and grab a seat. Find your plate and grab a seat. Find your plate and grab a seat. Get it? Find your plate and grab a... Alright, I'll stop. It's getting it a little bit annoying. And why did we fall off this? I'll see you guys on the other side. Bruh. Are you serious right now? Wait, we don't even know how to fly these. We'll have to find out. Just be careful with the obstacles. Wait, what? What? Obstacles? I know, right? I know. Phew. Go left, go left. Go down. Go down. Jeez. Oh, this part is gonna be way hard. Hey, you're blocking the camera. She died. Alright, it's over. Perfect, everyone is here now. I forgot to tell you, flying over that shortcut is illegal. Wait, what? Say what? Did you just set? Hopefully nobody saw you. Okay. Sus. The airport is just around the corner. Let's keep moving. Making us do things up under the law. Or over the law. I don't know how to say. It's right there. It's right there. Don't go across the street. Don't go across the street. Across the street. Careful with the jug. Now hurry inside, please. Okay. Attention, everyone. Flight 7616 Mohammed is leaving 5 minutes. That's our flight. Where are my tickets? Get yours before the plane takes off without us. Okay. Get your ticket and go through the boarding gate. Welcome. Drop your baggage first for a ticket. Stop. Let me try to no clip. There we go. Oh, I got my ticket. You got your ticket? I hope you got your ticket. You are good to go. I guess it's only me now. No! No more waiting. Let's go. Jeez, why did I start earning decently? That is our plane. Hello, you must be the last passengers flying to your house. Don't worry, we're just in time. My goodness. All you need to do now is go through the metal detector and we're good to go. Alright, let's go to the metal detector. What? Ain't no time for jokes. Something's not right. Please wait a minute. Oh no. I don't like how that sounds. Wait, how'd she get here? You're gonna have to come with us. But what did we do? We don't have anything on us. Is there a problem, officers? All of you were caught flying over a restricted area. You are in big trouble. Wait here until we get all the paperwork. Oh my god. We're actually not. This is just a nightmare, okay? I knew it was a bad idea. What? What was bad? Now we're totally losing the fight. Oh. There goes Strange Tickets. Wait. I think I know who's up to no good. I think I know who caused this. Oh yeah, SKELETOX. Last one. My plan is finally complete. Okay. Oh boy. Are you enjoying the show, humans? No, we're actually not. Your world will soon be property of the undeads. First, I used angry humans to help me build an army, but now I can take over the world by myself. You're always up to no good. Don't worry, you'll be part of my army too. See you in the afterlife. Wahahaha! I've been working on my SKELETOX. Hope you like it. Oh my god, what's that sound? What's going on? Look, the cops are back. Let's ask them for help. I don't think those cops are friendly. Hike! Get your gun! I don't want to get hit. I don't want to get killed. Hey, what are you doing there? Ah! Your ears. Just me. Could have died. That was close. That was horrible. We gotta find a way to exit this place. Look, there's vents. Try to see if we can get up there and find something. Okay. Look, guys. We found an open vent. We need to get out of here quick. Wait, where's that? You need to keep going without me. Oh no! Skeleton curse is affecting Dad. We have to do something. But first, let's get out of this place before more monsters come. We got 87 seconds. Sweet. Ain't no time for a secret. Bop. Yeah, I think I know that guy from Airplane 3. Looks like I'm late to the party. Huh? Who even are you? I'm Poncho, ex-general of the Robloxia State's Army. I heard from you in the news. Were you not supposed to be dead? I've been trying to stop this strange creature for years. Since the world depended on it, I had to fake my death. We're the only ones left. For real, we have to find and destroy SKELETOX before the bad energy consumes us. We need to do this for our dad. It's time to be a hero then. Follow me. Why are you walking? Run! Run, 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 run! Quickly! Quickly, 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 quickly! That way. Be careful. This guy might be infected. Wait, why does he seem familiar? Hello, General. Remember me? No way. You're supposed to be dead. I guess we're both supposed to be dead. But here we are. When my dark side attacked the presidential plane, we got shot in the face. Oh, that made my curse become weaker. The only way I can completely be free is by killing SKELETOX. I still don't trust you. I trust him. You could be lying to us. You're not going to be part of this mission. I kind of trust him. Well, I'm still going to do it, General. Who's coming with me? I'm going with you. I'm going with you. There's no way my team is going with you. Ronald. I choose Ronald. He seems honest. 3, 2, 1. But we choose to go with Ronald. Good luck, soldiers. You're going to need it. Are you serious? This is the place where SKELETOX is. You guys see that? Oh no. They're coming for us. We have to rush inside. Protecting your eardrums. Split up. I'll see you guys at the end of the maze. Oh, heck no. You're not coming for me. Ah. No. Follow the airplanes. Before our lives get risked. I don't want my life to get risked. I barely have any health left. The altar. This is not good. Why are the eyes of the statue glowing? Wait, what? What's this? What? Where are they? What? Where are they? Are you Ronald? Yes, that's me. How are they, Doctor? Follow me, please. This is bad. I don't like the feeling of this. Me neither. I think I did the wrong choice. I'm really sorry, kid. Your parents are not going to make it. The plane crash was too bad. We did all we could. I'll give you a minute to say goodbye. I'm really sorry. Oh. I feel really bad for Mom. Mom? Dad? You can't go, I need you. I'm just a kid. There has to be something I can do. There's one thing. I can give you your parents a second chance. If you're willing to accept my deal, tell me more. I'll do anything. When the time comes, you'll have to crash a plane full of passengers, and I'll take their stuff. As a result, I'll receive your parents. Revive your parents. I'll take your soul, but if you fail, I'll take your soul instead. I'll do it. This is for you, Mom. I feel bad for Ronald. Well, that's airplane 4 for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.